Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you the different ways to pay your Rogers credit card bill. First, online, telephone, or mobile banking. Log in, select Rogers Bank MasterCard as the payee, enter your payment amount, and confirm. In person, visit most Canadian financial institutions and pay at a counter or ATM. Pre-authorized debit, set it up on the Rogers Bank website to have your payments automatically withdrawn each month. By mail, send a check payable to Rogers Bank, include your account number, and mail it to Rogers Bank, P.O. Box 4022, Station A, Toronto, Ontario, M5W0G7. Always send your payment in Canadian currency and allow enough time for processing before the due date. And that's it. That's how to pay your Rogers credit card bill. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.